Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic exhaust. First, gather all necessary tools, including a good set of wrenches, sockets, and a reliable jack. Safety is paramount, so ensure your Civic is securely elevated on jack stands before you begin any work. Next, generously apply penetrating oil to all exhaust bolts. This crucial step will help loosen any rusted or seized fasteners, making the removal process much smoother and preventing stripped bolts. Now, let's remove the old exhaust. Begin by carefully disconnecting any oxygen sensors attached to the exhaust system. These are often threaded in. Next, unbolt the exhaust hangers that support the system, usually found near the muffler and catalytic converter. Once the hangers are free and all connections are loose, you can gently lower and remove the entire old exhaust system from underneath your Honda Civic. Take your time to avoid damaging other components. With the old system out, it's time for the new one. Start by aligning the new exhaust sections and loosely attaching them to the existing connections. This allows for minor adjustments before final tightening. Once everything is in place, secure all exhaust hangers and then proceed to tighten all connecting bolts evenly. Finally, double-check for proper clearance around other vehicle components and inspect for any potential exhaust leaks, ensuring a perfect fit. After installation, start your Honda Civic's engine and listen carefully for any unusual exhaust sounds or leaks. A quick visual inspection while the engine runs can also help identify issues. Remember to periodically inspect your exhaust system for signs of rust, cracks, or damage to ensure its longevity and performance. And speaking of lasting quality, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Investing in quality parts and accessories, like a good exhaust or durable socks, always pays off in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.